Turn we out here. Mix up with G and G with the bio clear. Put them white in a me new Nike Air. Air Force One, every man want a pair. We a live the dream, them living a nightmare.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People are going. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. I hope everybody in a good vibes. You don't know, say we will kick off the show with some music. But first, I would really like you to click that subscribe button. If for the first time you are watching Chaddy Tomorrow TV, and click the like button too if you like the video. And comment now and let me know what your thoughts. It's your host, DJ Chaddy. So people, the song we're playing at the background, artist called Daddy One, and the song is entitled Out There. And Daddy One really go out there because him just got 1 million views on the tube. So I could listen it again, man. Ready?
El God get him cream. Pet Skull get him cream. Oh, with the team, with your every turn we out here.
Yo, Saint Thomas, them can't hold we down. Portland, DJ, Mobile, Ghetto Youths, boy, carrying down.
I got a lot from my mates, you know. A lot from my mates. Lost faith in a lot of my friends, you know. Lost faith in a lot of my friends.
Can't change me, no, that's people. Say your rent house by cash vehicle. Can't change me, no, that's people. But make sure by your big fat eat.
Yo, DJ, everybody feed themselves. Just make you dead. Fear make you suffer, love make you kill yourself. Just ask Mr. Bell, very unwell. Heads him get a who game no grizzle.
So people, the songs that I just play is on a project from TJ Records. Yeah, Riddim is called Traffic Riddim, which is the likes of Masicka Vybz Kartel, Popcaan, Govana, Quadadan, DeMarco, and Jenky. I don't really know the artists that still nominated for go take in that song there. But anyway, still, the rhythm nice, the rhythm mellow. You see me? Really, really nice. And all of them songs that I play, me like on the rhythm. So first one I play is Popcaan, Living the Dream. Second one I play was by Govana, Second and Friend, which me really, really love. And then I play, which one I play? Masicka, that's people. And Vybz Kartel, Can't Trust. You see me? Good project, me really like it. So people, me know say most of you supposed to listen at least couple of the song them on this project already. So comment in the comment section and let me know which song are your favorite song on the project. Traffic Riddim, you gone, TJ, big up.
Them no want you the better than them. You must call them second and friend. Them no want you the better than them. Okay, when you're rich, richer than them, it mad them. You want them to on the same level, everything good. But when you change level, you want them to live good. We call them second and friend.
So people, Shenseea took it to Instagram for ask a very personal but serious question. So now listen up.
Anybody know where I can get breast tape to buy in Kingston? I have an outfit that I want to wear, but I gotta tape my breasts up to my shoulder. So I normally use the normal tapes, but when I sweat, it slide off. So I need some stronger one, and I don't want to use duct tape even though I'm tempted. But yeah, let me know.
And if you breathe and have picnic, and your best get along, me we fold them up.
So Versatile had some very interesting thing to say on a live today. Him actually posted on him IGTV. He must say people are hold him down and people are tell artists, producer not to vice him and a bag of things. But make me play what him have to say and then we forward and discuss it.
People, a couple nights now I'm not sleep well. See me look for my eye then. I'm telling you God showed. Right now I'm tired of this. See me? Tired of this. Some man a try to sabotage my career umbre. You see me, a man a stay quiet most of the time, the man a try to look the hype off on a man's career. But me not go sit down and make the man sabotage my own. You hear that? You see me? Some man keep on a call people and call the producer them and I make them know so them now voice pan rhythm, a versatile upon the rhythm. A Versi road carver upon rhythm, then now voice pan it. You see me I say? Me actually upon rhythm already, and man all call me back and I tell me say Versi, you know say we have to go put a rhythm, put your song on a different rhythm. We have to go put a song on a different rhythm because certain man upon the rhythm you know, and we not try mash up relationship with you still, but we can't have you upon the rhythm again. And them something there, me hear them thing there, I say, yo, I don't want to upon the rhythm. You see me? I'm move on, but it have me too much time now. Man, I'll advise me song them and I bench me song them and them thing there. Make it look like me now work. You see me? See me have my studio right there, so. I have my studio. See it there? Over there? Every day I voice song. And I now hear my song them I put out. You see me? Some man stop work and try sabotage my career star. You see me, dog? I like it, yo. It been more than a year now. Me avoid people and I do my own thing. You see me? Me never know say avoiding people hurt them so, dog. You see me? Yeah, umber. Every minute me hear a different argument. Yeah, man, love me star and make me things strive, umber. You see me? Me have me pitney them for feed too, you know. Damani, you know. Sejan, you know. Shemaya, you know. You know, feel like them not feel alright too in a life, dog. And music, me singing, I don't do nothing else, you know. I know, and a man ramp put my career start, it hurt me, dog. I tell you, no. A man can hold it, but not for forever, dog. You see me? Me I hold it, umbre. I don't want a man ramp put my career, dog. Stop calling the producer them and sabotage man thing, dog. You see me? I don't do the music. Some man all a see man and all a deal with man and then them a go around and I do different thing. You see me? Me I tell you now, I can call name and I never have a call name. I don't know who me a talking, dog. You see me? I don't stop, I don't say a career big and around the world. I don't love we, dog. I could just do music, umbre. Bumbuck
Jano. So, Versatile is a good artist. I want to fact Versatile is a great artist. Versatile are one of the best artists out there. And me I tell you say Versatile up on the forefront for a long while now. Get couple banger, you see me? Get couple hits, but still more than say in a break through that big, find that big hit yet. You see me? But with Versatile I say people on the outside might look like say, yo, a Versi now put in the work, but actually Versatile are put in 100% work. But you have unscrupulous people, you see me, co-worker themselves. I tell producer say, yo, don't vice Versi. You see me? I tell producer say, yo, you see Versatile road carver depend the rhythm there. Me nah vice. And Versatile say a very what me should I say now? Interesting thing. When Versatile say over a year now, me avoid them. And people, we all know say Versi and Papi used to click. Them used to flick. And me not really see them a deal like that anymore. So is it Popcaan Versatile is talking? Or it's bigger than Popcaan? And then Versatile say, yo, uno run the whole road and uno run the world. And you know, say Popcaan thing they on another level where international market and stuff like that. So would Popcaan be the one I try hold on Versatile? People, me not have the facts because Versi say everybody know who already, which me no know. So me no in that everybody there. So if uno know, just put it in the comment section. But me I tell you the honest truth, Popcaan are one of the first person where kind of spark controversy in that something there. You see me? But all me I say, Versatile, go and hold it, go and put in the work, brother. Even though you don't put in the work already, but it might look like say you're not putting in the work, but just go and do, brother. Just go and do it. And artists, uno fi stop this. Producer, uno fi stop this. Yo, if me have already me no care big you be daddy. You can't tell me say no vice that them man depend Riddim me after an year Riddim. You can't do that with your own Riddim. But on a year Riddim, you can't me have a Riddim and you gotta tell me say, yo, right now don't vice Versi pan it. You see me? Because you want big up. Yo, youth, go one side with your song, man. Me get one next artist go on the rhythm there. But that are just my thoughts still. So wanna tell me what you think in the comment section.
When me squeeze the ego, me no let it go. Me no step in the street, I let it very top. Murder them, the Mac 10 thingy, me no hot pen them. Heat every to the dinner. Squeeze the ego, me no let it go. Fi put shot in a people, me do well enough. Max make it SK clap, then now fool them up a let it know.
So people, don't forget, tell me in the comment section what you think about all the topics we discussed today. And don't forget to leave a like on the video. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out.